Today I will be discussing our house project number 2259, which is spread across a plot area of 5000 square feet. Hi, this is Tejas Elvey from Studio 415 and we are based in Mumbai. The site is located in gated community around the town of Dapoli, Konkan. The house is made in the style of courtyard house. It measures 2000 square feet and forms a C-shaped enclosure. The plot size was small and there was not enough space outdoor. Also the plot was surrounded by houses, so we came up with the idea of courtyard house to create an open space in the center of the house. Our aim was to build a sustainable and eco-friendly house using locally available materials and craftsmen. Also, we wanted to use traditional techniques for the construction of the house, so we decided to use laterite stone for load-bearing walls, timber for the roof structure. Compound wall of the house is made of exposed laterite stone, which brings some rustic look to the house. We have made a small wooden gate to enter the house premises. The pathway is fixed with natural stones with trees around, which connects towards the main door of the house. The main door opens into the huge living room, which has a cozy informal sitting on its right side and spacious dining and kitchen sector on its left. The large windows are directed towards the north side, which brings indirect pleasant light inside the living room. For the material mood board, we have used all natural materials and warm color scheme for the house. We have used unfinished kadapa throughout the house for flooring. Locally sourced thick wood for roof structure. Door and windows are crafted in teak wood. The roof is covered with old terracotta tiles, which create a rustic look in house that gives a beautiful earthy feel to the house. We have used warm and earthy color fabric, which gives a homey vibe. Furniture of the house is crafted by local carpenters. We have used thick wood for furniture. Warm lighting plays an important role to create a homey mood in this house. All lights of this house are fabricated by using local metal, wood and simple white fabric. Living room also has the entrance to both bedrooms and open to sky courtyard. Courtyard creates warm and pleasant vibes and showcases the uniqueness of the house. Both bedrooms have access from living room. Bedrooms are simply furnished with earthy cotton fabric and locally crafted wooden bed and credenza. Reading nook furnished with a chair and ottoman complete the look of the bedroom. Bathrooms have a minimalist design with bare roughly plastered walls. Vanity is crafted in teak with a tabletop basin. Mirror lights are crafted from waste material. Dry and wet areas are separated by half walls. Facade of the house is designed in a very simple manner. Laterite stone compound wall with pink bougainvillea plantation, grey shade for house exterior, old terracotta tiles for roofing and unfinished wood for doors and windows. This combination merged into the landscape very easily. To break vision from outside, we have placed vertical wooden members in windows. Homey feel and relaxing mood this house has created for people staying in the house as well as guests visiting. It's the biggest achievement we have gained from this project.